Hello everyone, good morning and good evening. Welcome to our channel SAPMM Rajiv, and today's topic is common interview questions for business partner, that is vendor master data in SAP S/4HANA system. Okay, so we are coming to the Word document, and here we can have a look at this content that the term vendor master data is completely replaced with a new term, that is business partner in SAP MM S/4HANA system. And there are three business partner roles that are very important. The first role is 000, that is 6 times 0. This is a BP role which will going to display the address screen, wherein we will going to maintain the address information such as name of the vendor, address, pin code, postal codes, email facility, fax numbers, telephone numbers, right, country and city, etc. Apart from this, the second role is FLVN01 is the role which will going to contain all the details relevant for the purchasing information, that is the currency part, the uh, sort order, the payment terms, and also a couple of different settings such as good receipt based invoice verification, automatic purchase order or automatic evaluated GR settlement indicator, and also pricing procedure schema. All these informations are maintained with this particular role. We will going to look at all these roles in SAP system in just a couple of next few minutes. The next role is FLVN00. This is the accounting related information which is maintained in the business partner, which is at the company code level. This purchasing information is maintained at purchase organization level. And in the last, the old transaction codes, that is XK01, MK01, FK01, which we were using in our old ECC system. And I would rather not going to say old, because different, so many people, so many organizations are still on ECC now. So these transitions are still running on ECC at the moment. Those clients who are still working and using ECC, but those clients who had recently migrated from ECC to S/4HANA, they will not be able to use these transactions as XK01. That is for centrally creating the business partner, that is the vendor master. This is the purchasing data to be maintained with this transaction, and this is the accounting data which is to be maintained with these transactions for the vendor master. These are the tables. That is BUT 000, which holds the information for address. LFM1 holds the information for purchasing data. LFB1 holds the information for accounting, and LFA1 is the table which holds the data for address part. Let us quickly jump on to our S/4HANA system. This is S/4HANA system. If you can see at the bottom right where I'm moving my cursor, it is S/4HANA. Now, let me just try to type XK01 and let's see what happens. System will not going to allow you to use this transaction. It will going to redirect to the transaction BP, and it says the transaction XK01 is obsolete. Okay, so let us create one. Just a moment. I'm going to display the BP so that I can show you how the business partner looks. So this is particular business partner which is already maintained in the system. I'm going to hit on this start button and just double click this line just below the partner. I'm just double clicking it, and system is going to display the business partner for us. And if you can see, as a default, the first BP role is appearing as 000 with the description business partner general. That means it will going to contain all the address related informations, the communication part, the postal box number, email address, fax numbers, telephone number, everything that we have to maintain in the business partner, that is 1730031. Now, I'm going to move to a different BP role. This one, if you can see, FLBN01, that is purchasing view for BP. I'm just selecting this, and then you will be able to see this particular tab which is appearing. This particular tab was not appearing before when my address screen was appearing. Let me show you again. I'm just going to select once again the 00000 BP role. And if you can see, there is no any purchasing tab is appearing. Now I'm going to choose FLVN01, that is purchasing view. That means all the information which are maintained at purchasing organization level, that will going to appear in this business partner screen. So I'm going to choose this FLVN01, and if you can see, the purchasing information, the tab is appearing. Now I'm going to hit on this tab, and here you can see I have to enter my purchasing organization as 1710, and then only all the information which is already maintained in the purchasing data tab will going to display. So if you can see, the order currency is US dollars. The payment terms is 0001. The payment terms is a term which is mutually agreed between the supplier and the buyer. It is with different kinds of a combination. If supplier asks you to do the quick payment within 14 days, the supplier will going to give us the 2% discount. And if supplier says that please give us the payment within 30 days, they will not going to give us any discount. Okay, so this is the different types of permutation and combination which can be used to make a payment to the supplier. And this is the GR based invoice verification tick, which is maintained in the purchasing data in the business partner screen. Let me scroll a little down. Couple of more important fields, that is purchasing group, the planned delivery time, the schema group with which the pricing procedure is being pulled in the purchase order. And this is the automatic GR settlement indicator, wherein we can automatically create the invoices for those genuine and trusted suppliers for the automatic payment. And this is the field for automatic purchase order, which is to be flagged in if the business wish to have a facility of automatic purchase order creation. Okay, and herein we can have apply some block as well, that is all purchasing organization block or selected purchase organization block in the change mode. Okay, and these are the partner functions, the invoicing party, the ordering address. at at present, what is happening, that we have maintained the same vendor as a partner function, but one can maintain different supplier as well to work in connection with this main vendor, to present the invoices, to do the good supply of the goods. Okay, so this is the purchasing part, my dear friends. And now we will going to change the display role now. So let me just quickly take you to the Word document as well. This is the Word document. FLVN01, just we have had a look at it. This is the purchasing data which is maintained at purchasing org level. Always be mindful of that. Okay. Now we are moving to the next display role, that is FLVN00. Herein we will going to see the information which is maintained at company code level, all the finance information. Okay, so we will going to change our role from FLVN01 to FLVN00, and you will be able to see one more tab, that is for company code. Now I'm going to hit on company code, and system will going to give you the information that is for the reconciliation account, the sort key, and vendor payment transactions, different methods, that is the payment terms. Okay, double check invoice, that this is for the safer use, that if the vendor has submitted a one more second invoice for the same purchase order, system will going to check it out and will not going to allow to the user to post this invoice for the same purchase order once again. Okay, now let us go to the vendor status. Here also we can put the posting block for this supplier at the company code level and also at the selected company code level. Okay, so this is the information for FLVN00. Just a moment, everyone. And let us quickly have a look at the tables as well. This is the table for LFB1, that is accounting view. Let us quickly look at the table for business partner VUT 000. Here I will going to enter the number of business partner and let us display this content. Here you can see the number range grouping for internal group assignment, the key, and the other information. Let me just select this and click on this magnifying lens, and it will going to show you this information in a column form, the vertical form. So here you can see, this is our business partner number, the search term, the name will going to appear as foreign US supplier. These are different informations which are appearing here. This is the user ID who had created, right? The date, some changes were done into the business partner. And so this is the screen which will going to show us the address part. And let us quickly look at another table of LFM1. This is the table which holds the data for purchasing information, that is order currency. Okay, and if you can see, this particular vendor master data is maintained at two purchase org level, 1710 and 1720, and both these purchase orgs are having the two different currencies maintained in it. These are the different payment terms. This is the purchasing group maintained. This is automatic purchase order indicator. Okay, let me just select all and click on magnifying lens, and if you can see, all these details are appearing from the purchase organization perspective. This is LFM1, the order currency, the name of the user who has created this, okay, the purchase organization, everything. Now let us come back, one more come back, and let us go with LFB1. This table will going to hold the accounting related information, the company code. If you can see, the company code is coming over here. Let us execute this, and you will be able to see the reconciliation part which we just saw in the company code information. This is the company code. This is the reconciliation account is appearing 212, all 5 zeros, and the sort key, that is 009. This is the sort key. This is the reconciliation account is appearing, the payment terms. This is also a different, a kind of, account which is appearing. This is some other parameters with reference to accounting. Okay. So these are the important tables, and these are the important, levels with which the business partner is maintained at these three levels. So what are those three levels? The address is maintained at client level, number one. The purchasing information is maintained at purchase organization level, number three. The accounting related information, that is reconciliation account, double check invoice, and other banking related informations are maintained at company code level. So these three levels are very, very important, my dear friends. Number one, business partner address is maintained at client level. Number two, purchasing information of business partner is maintained at purchase organization level, and all the accounting related information of business partner is maintained at company code level. And in the last, just a recap, old transaction codes, that is XK01, MK01, and FK01 are now no more available. And these all three transactions are replaced with one and the only transaction, BP. And the tables for business partner are BUT000, LFM1, LFB1, LFM1 in the S4HANA system. Thank you very much for your time and attention, my dear friends. I would like to request you everyone to please subscribe and like and share my channel. Okay. And I will be sharing these regular videos with a new topic in our next session. It will be for the tables for purchasing information record, the third master data, that is the purchasing information record. So stay tuned. Yeah. Thank you very much.